Night 2 of the Southern Street Stock Nationals at Why Not Motorsports down here in Meridian, Mississippi. Let's get busy. We got to qualify tonight.
So I've got mine tied down flat right.
So like your car sitting on the ground.
Well, I will tell you, when you look at the camera of it on the right front, on the track, that chain was loose the whole time. Okay? And I probably need to tighten it down a little bit more. Well, I say that. I probably could preload it more. So in other words, if I ran
they say compress a half inch into it already.
Right.
So that way when you're on the throttle, it's already nosed up.
Right,
and
right. If I put more right front jack in it, my numbers on the scales won't change, but on the track with a dynamic load, it's not going to be as far as the right front and have more load in the right front. You know, and it's like I'm trying to get it. What I want is I want it to get over and get into that rubber and then stabilize. And it might be blowing through it still a little bit. Mr. Carl came over and he was telling me too, I probably need to put some more preload in it. And I think he's right. I'm just not changing a whole lot at once. I'm trying to learn it and understand it. I don't want to make a big change and then lose track of where I'm at with the car and others and then why I'm driving, how to drive. Anyway, I think I am. I put one round more in it. I may put just a little bit more. All right, y'all, we're heading to Tech.
Jason, I know you moved up and really become a factor here in the street stocks with this J2.
Yeah, we're learning. We've steadily got faster all year, and I don't know if I can just come up and win the Street Stock Nationals, but we're definitely getting faster in this process. So
definitely seen that throughout the year, as you mentioned. So good to see you moving up into the street stocks. You know that's where I like to see drivers.
Oh yeah,
that's a personal preference.
No, I love it. We still got our Leaf car too. The daughter's going to be running some factory stock in it starting next spring, so we're looking forward to it as well. We're going to float both of them.
All right, good deal. Jason Dukes in the J2 coming on in Tennessee.
The last count I had for street stock was 106. A great time. Every one of y'all happy birthday.
Receivers, again, make sure those are in at all times. There will be time limits on all the features tonight. Number of laps plus 5 minutes. So there are 20 lap features on the qualifier or on the prelim features tonight. There'll be a 25 time limit on that, 25 minutes. So that means if you guys want to get all those laps, let's take care of each other on the track. Starts will be on the leader off of turn number 4 at the last tire. Last white tire, that's where the leader will fire. Restarts. From the center of 3 and 4, there's a pretty Southern Street Stock National sign. Once you reach that sign, the leader can fire. Delaware double file restarts. That means the leader's out front. Second place to choose high or low. Everyone else will fill the gap.
start, 1,000 to win. The top 2 lock in to the feature Saturday night. Everybody else has to go to a B main and race their way into the feature. Wish me luck. I could have used more motor, more gear. Yep. But now, I mean, it was digging.
I know it was.
It was digging, but I mean, I had to put it on the cushion. Huh?
8. So you made the qualifying picture.
Yeah.
was tough. So I was on the bottom, then I tried the top, then I went back to the bottom. I ended up going to the top, but the second time I went to the top, I really committed. And man, I should have committed like that the first time I went to the top. Just really just pushed the car hard into the cushion and stood on it. Well, it got better then. It didn't matter. The race was pretty much over. So I think we finished 8th. You know, which is, I'll take it. I'll take anything I can get that's gonna move me forward in the B main. Really happy with the car. I feel like I was just getting all I could get out of the car. The car was rotating great. Was getting around the bottom fine. I felt like maybe I might slowly inch forward, but I really wasn't gonna gain any ground, you know, and then turn around, and when I went to the middle, you know, there just wasn't nothing there for me that I could pick up any speed at all. I started losing spots to guys that were better on the bottom than me. But the car rotated good on the bottom. The car rotated good on top. So it's like, I feel like I'm there. I've got plenty of forward bite. Everything's good. That's just all my car had. And that's all I had is driver's skill too, because I should have went to that top and committed immediately and got that run going, because a lot of cars in front of me got took out of the races. There was a lot of attrition going on where guys were going out, and I could have been moving forward if I'd have been in a good spot to capitalize on it every time, and I didn't. All right, so it's not all car, it's also me and my learning curve with my car. Gotta take credit where credit's due, but you also gotta be willing to admit your mistakes. So that's where I'm at tonight. I gotta race my way into the feature Saturday night. Our next video is gonna be where you see me in the B main, go to the front and race our way in to the Southern Street Stock Nationals feature. That's what we're gonna do. Track just needs to go completely dry slick, and I need to be on point with my setup, and I am going to cut my tires all to pieces. I am going to sipe them up. I'm going to do whatever I've got to do, because if I don't make the feature, it doesn't matter whether or not I have tires for the feature. So we're going to see if we can't get these tires to where that in that B main, we use them up to get to the feature. All right, see you next time. And hey, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, folks. This is good stuff.